Namaskāra, hello, Pudyonwe. Yenna Pudar Nishant Ratnakar, Niklen Materenla, Yan Solmelu Studios Mo Kidet Konwe. I warmly welcome you all to Solmelu Studios. Today, we are going to learn to write the name of a place that is famous across the globe, yet its roots are in Tulunāḍ, Manipal. Before it became the international university town, Manipal was a modest settlement. The name of the place actually tells the story. Manipal is made up of two Tulu words, Mannu and Palla. Mannu means soil and Palla means lake, referring to our Manipal lake. What was once a barren hill was transformed by the visionary Dr. T.M.A. Pai into a sanctuary of knowledge. Hence, Manipal for us is that bridge between our ancient heritage and our modern future. Come on, let's write Manipal in Tulu Script. Nama Tulu Lipi Manipal andu bareka bale. Before we learn to write the word Manipal, let's understand the sounds that make up the word accurately. Manipal is a very easy word to write because we know most of the symbols in Tulu Script that forms the word. It's a very easy word with 4 syllables, ma, ni, pa, and la. Usually in English, we drop the sound at the end of the word and just say it as Manipal. But most of the South Indian languages include that vowel at the end of the word and say it as Manipala. As you can see here in the IAST symbols, the letter N has a dot below it. Now this symbol is a hero of our video today. That's the new symbol that we are going to learn in Tulu Script, the Retroflex Na or the Retroflex N. It's different from the soft Na that we learned in earlier videos when we learned to write the words Nama and Namma. Retroflex Na is very common in most of the Indian languages where the nasal Na sound is formed when we curl the tongue backwards and touch the roof of the mouth. That is, in our Vargiya Vyanjanas, the line ta, tha, da, dha, na. That's it. That's Retroflex Na. So, let's learn to write Retroflex Na in Tulu Script, and after that, we'll proceed to write the word Manipal. Bale, nama Tulu Lipi Na akshara barare kalpuga. The letter Na is very easy to write. It has a lot of patterns that we have already used in writing different Tulu letters in our past videos. As I said before, while writing the letter Ja, if you can write the digit 6, and now if you can write the Tulu letter Na or the small English letter Ma, then you can combine them together and create the letter Na. How is it done? Let me show you now. We start writing a 6-like shape, the circle below and going all the way up and curving the pen down, and without lifting our pen, we continue to draw multiple humps to create the letter M in English or the letter Na, and after completing that M shape, we don't stop there. We drag the pen all the way down and finish it at the bottom of the letter. This is Na. Tula baitundate. Kudan sarti baret practice malpaga. Bale. Nama surukunji suruli padolu. Oka nama 6 bare leka shape malpudincha etakara. Oka nama pen dirparevalli nama English daily ma akshara or M letter in the nama tudutta na akshara lekane barevodu. Oka carried nama pen dirparevalli jene tittumuta gere hoitum konoda. Undu na. Now let's put together whatever we learned in our past videos, and today what we learned, the letter Na, and combine it together and finally write the word Manipal. Nama ini kaltina Na akshara oka dumbada video kaltina mata aksharanla serpad Manipala and bareka bale. So we start by writing the letter Ma in Tulu Script, which looks like the digit 2, but in the end we raise the stroke all the way to the top and stop it. We learnt it when we learned to write the Tulu word Nama and Namma. Now after writing Ma, we will write the letter that we learned today, that is the letter Na. we draw a 6-like figure, and without lifting a pen, we draw the shape of a letter M, and in the end, we trace the stroke all the way to the bottom of the letter. This is the Tulu letter Na. Now, to this, we will add the I matra. Now, we have syllabus Ni completed. After this, we will write the letter Pa, which we learned while we learned to write the word Udupi. To the letter Pa, we will add the A matra, which we learned while we learned to write the word Pujari. Now, the last letter, that is the letter La. We have written this multiple times. We start with a circle and curve it all the way to the top. This is Manipala. And if at all you want to make Manipala into Manipal, all that you have to do is add the virama sign on top of the letter La, like this. This is Manipal, the way you say it in English. ಸುಲಭ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪುಡೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಲ್ತು ಬರೆಕ ಬಲೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುರುಕು ಮಾ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಕ ಅಂಕ ಮಾ ಬರೆರೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೊಕ ನಮ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರೆನಾಗ ಒಂದಿನ ಕಲ್ತ. ಮಾ ಆಯ್ ಬೊಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನಿ ಕಲ್ತಿನ ನ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಕ. ಒಂಜಿ ಸುರುಳಿ ಪಾಡೋಡು, ಒಂಜಿ 6 ಶೇಪ್ ಬರೆಯೋಡು. ಅವು ಆಯ್ ಬೊಕ ಪೆನ್ ದೆರ್ಪರೆ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂಜಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆಯಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆಕಾರ ಮಲ್ಪೋಡು. ಆ ಕೇರಿಡು ಅಕ್ಷರ ತಿತ್ತು ಮುಟ್ಟ ಗೆರೆ ಒಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಉಂಟಾವಡು. ಒಂದು ನ ಅಕ್ಷರ ನೆಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಡುಗ. ಒಂದು ಮಣಿ ಅಂದಾಂಡ ನನ್ನ ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಸುರುಕ್ ಬರೆಕ. ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಆಯ್ಬಕ ನೆಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಡುಗ. ನನ್ನ ಖಾಲಿ ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಒರಿದಂಡು ಅವು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು ಎತ್ತೋ ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರೆತ ನಮ್ಮ. ಒಂದು ತುಳ್ಳಿಪಿತ ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಪೂರ ಸೇರ್ಪಾದ ಒಂದು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ಅಂದಾಂಡ. So friends, that's it in today's video. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Today we learned to write the word of a place name called Manipal, which is a bridge between our ancient heritage and modern future. The meaning of Manipal comes from the Tulu word Mannu and Palla, which means the muddy lake, which is nothing but our Manipal lake. To write word Manipal, the main symbol that we learned today is the retroflex Na, which is very easy to write. It's like you combine the number 6 with the small letter M and drag the stroke all the way to the bottom of the letter. And using our knowledge of the letter Na and all the letters that we learned in our previous videos, we finally wrote the word Manipal. I love visiting Manipal every time I'm in Uru. Lots of things, lots of positive energy there. So many youngsters, melting pot of different cultures. People across the globe come to study in Manipal. And if you're from Manipal, please write this word and tag us in social media when you post it and inspire others to write Tulu Script. Please share this video with your family and friends. And please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification. And please like this video too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enna ee video nikku nikle maataregla enna udal dinji Solmelu.